Hi, welcome to M6 Updates. This is a website for NMU students that you can use to generate your NMU ID. So this is how the website looks. Now, when getting to the website, the first thing you do is you click on the blue button below, Get University logo, and you observe that once you click, it appears above. Then the next thing is your passport and your signature. You click on the passport and you import a passport. Make sure the passport doesn't have a background. Now you do the same thing for the signature too, and make sure they are very clean and arranged. In order for you to remove the backgrounds from these images, you need an app called Photo Room. This is how the app looks, and this is how you use it. I believe you've seen how easy it is for you to remove the background from your image. Now you have to fill all these details well and accurately. Now, after filling these details, you have to click on export card above. You have to choose between PNG and PDF. Which one suits you better? So we'll pick PNG. On getting to the export verification page, you observe that you need a token for you to be able to download your ID card. So all you have to do is you click the green button below. It takes you to the WhatsApp of the admin. This is where you make your payments and you get your token. And after you get your token, you type it and you click verify and export. So after exporting, you wait a while, then your ID card will be available to be downloaded, and you can download it to your phone so that you can print it anywhere you want to print it. And after everything, this is how your ID card should look. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.